In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a custom folder for saving your screenshots using Sharex. This is a great way to keep all your screenshots organized and easily accessible, especially if you take a lot of them and want to keep them sorted in a way that makes sense to you. Let's dive into the process. First, let's start by opening Sharex. Once you've launched the application, the next thing you want to do is navigate over to the menu and then select Application Settings. This is where you'll find all the configurations and options to customize your Sharex experience, including where your screenshots will be saved. After you're in the application settings, look over to the left-hand sidebar and choose Paths. This is where we'll be configuring where our screenshots will reside. Paths allow you to specify directories for various types of files that Sharex handles, giving you the flexibility to organize your files just the way you like it. Now, under the section labeled Screenshots Folder, you'll see an option for Use Custom Screenshot Folder. Go ahead and check that box. This will enable you to specify exactly where you'd like your screenshots to be saved rather than the default location. For many users, having control over the folder location aids in better organization and easy retrieval of those files. Next, you'll want to click the Browse button. This will open up a dialog box where you can navigate through your file system to select the folder you'd like your screenshots to be saved in. Maybe you have a dedicated folder for all your captures, or perhaps you'd like to create a new one just for this purpose. Go ahead and make your selection. Alternatively, if you know the absolute path of the folder, you can type it in directly. For those who are interested in taking their organization to the next level, there's also an optional step here. You'll find the subfolder pattern option, which allows you to further organize your screenshots by creating subfolders automatically. For example, you can set this by year or month, depending on how granular you want your organization to be. This can be especially useful for users who capture a large number of screenshots and want to avoid having them all cluttered together. Once you've made these selections, simply click OK or Save. To ensure that all your changes are fully applied, a quick restart of Sharex is recommended. After restarting the application, your new settings will take full effect. From this point on, every screenshot you take with Sharex will be saved directly to the new folder you selected. It's as simple as that. Enjoy a more organized and efficient way to manage your screenshots. Thanks for tuning into this setup guide, and happy snapping with Sharex.